It's just real so sorry. So sorry. That challenge has had me in a chokehold. You ladies are doing the Lord's work. Hey guys, today's a Sunday. We wanted to take a car to the car wash because it's been 2 months. That was too long, so we decided that another day. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys what I bought from Clicks. So I left my hairdryer straightener back in Joburg so that when I go to the office I don't have to trouble those kind of things. So my man was like, relax, take it easy, cause there's nothing that we can't do. That's how it sounds, right? Yeah. So firstly we got this Pantene Pro V Keratin Reconstruct Mask. The smooth and sleek one, up to 72 hours of smooth and shiny hair in one use. I saw this on Body Beauty. I really like how her hair always looks like, so I was like, let me try this because some of my wigs are looking crusty, but we'll do that. And then we got a Safeway fast drying easy style hair dryer with 2 speed and 3 heat settings. So like initially I wanted the one that had like red comb feature and like different heads, but it wasn't here. So yeah, it's very nice and black and purple. Wouldn't have hurt if it were pink. Relax, take it easy. I don't know if you guys saw, but my last hairdryer was going through a lot. Okay, I was going through the most. And then we got the Tony & Guy Slim Definer Creative Straightener that goes up to 200 degrees and it has 50mm slim plates and color protection. So I saw that people were like, this straightener, well, the big one is the bomb.com. So for that price, I wasn't sure that I just wanna waste my money. So okay. We got the thinner one. Hopefully it will do the work as we need it to. So this is how it looks like. And then there's the on and off button, and then I think this is the heat dial. I'm not quite sure. It's gonna be me with my hair deals. Yeah, no, manifesting that into the universe. For these products, like both the hairdryer and the straightener, it is advisable to have that round twin plug because they both come with this head. So yeah guys, I just wanted to show you guys that before I carry on with the rest of my day, because I need to pack these away, but I can't pack them away before I unbox them with you guys. So yeah, I'll probably give a review like on one of my hair videos if the mask and the straightener does what it's supposed to do, because I mean a hairdryer is a hairdryer, you know. Yeah, I'll give you guys a review of this thing later when I'm back to my wig wearing era. Ogwa manje, please just disregard the crust. Bye. Just know this and know this. I did lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come wine feel me slowly. Good morning. It's me after so many moons. It is I. So it's been so long. I don't know if I'm gonna start this vlog from scratch or I'm going to add, I think, like 2 clips I had before this. I don't know. By the time you guys see this, I would have probably made a plan. So it's either this is the intro or there are a few clips before this. Anyways, if this is the intro, morning guys. I'm Tay, and welcome to my channel. Wow. I always feel the need to introduce myself because I feel like I don't have an intro, you know, like those people, but I'll get there. So, hey guys, I'm Tay. Welcome to my channel. I hope this is your new home. I hope you enjoy the content that I create, and please always leave suggestions for me down in the box below because I really like those. Anyways, I think I have taken the entire, like pretty much most of November off. I think today is the 19th of November if I'm not wrong. So I was in Joburg from the 31st of October until yesterday. So I just came back. I don't know, I just feel like, you know, with everything going on, I just felt like a bit demotivated because I don't want to lie, work was, let me put this properly, it was something that was consuming a lot of my time, and there was something going on at work that just needed 100% of my attention. So I think it has gotten better since then. So, and I've missed YouTube, you know. I like creating, but I just don't like creating the same thing because I feel like, in as much as it is me being myself and me being real, I can't show you the same thing each and every single day. So I like taking you guys when I go out, and I'll show you 1 or 2 days at home or whatnot. That is fine, but I'm just saying that it just feels better when I do something different, you know. Like, it's like I also want to watch it because I do watch my videos, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah guys, it is a Sunday morning, first morning back in Cape Town because I came back yesterday midday-ish. Well, after midday actually. I boarded my flight at midday, so I came back just after that. So yeah, did you miss me? Because I know I missed you too. So it's so early in the morning. It's so early in the morning. We currently at police. We need to get a few stuff for the week. I don't know if we'll go inside or not, but yeah, if we do, obviously you'll see snippets. But if I don't take care of it, because I just feel like, you know, in as much as I am you know, or I'm trying to be a creator, I just feel like, you know, I can't want to now force subject other people. You know, you're here to do like your shopping and whatnot. You like to do it in peace.
You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and we turn that look to red. Come here, 'cause it's love. Hold you for life. for like so tired coming closer.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. Are set. Follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I play your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill. You nothing kill. You nothing kill my vibe. I see you watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad bitch bad every day. I know they look at your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray. Pray you regain your faith. Bad killer, every somebody come. Don't take my energy from your mandula. In my house, don't say I be my healer. Everything I desire, I go receive my rhythm. Flow like a river. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para. Come on, my jigger. I go just stay. Follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes are set.
I low-key feel like now that Queen Charlotte is over, I don't know what I'm gonna watch. I feel like my life is a little over. Hey guys, welcome to Tuesday. I don't know if you guys can hear me. But also, I don't like speaking Garakahoa. It's currently 8:30.
Oh, sorry.
Do you not have load shedding? It's Tuesday, 8:30. No, it's Monday. Damn. It's Monday today. Wow, okay. Welcome to Monday evening, 8:30. I had to go into the office this morning and I worked from there. And I don't think anything eventful has happened. Just finished watching Queen Charlotte. Enjoyed it so much. I made the most perfect bougie bowl. And I feel like Nando's has been quiet ever since. That time it's only been an hour. Oh my god. Nando's, if you're seeing this competition, darling. Oh my gosh. Someone put me onto an amazing wine. This is so amazing. This is so amazing. It tastes so good. It's like juice. It's really good. So I'm gonna start watching The Perfect Stranger and then probably call it, how long is this movie? 1 hour 50 minutes, almost 2 hours. I'll probably call it a night after that. Hey guys, remade. Now I'm out here trying to make this vlog like super long. Okay, baby.
The stars, yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad fight. If you hit your enemies shine. If you not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me and no go take shit. Vibe killer. If you get sour, come on, go sit down. I go just para, come on, my jigger. I go just stay, follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes all night. I'm fucking dynamite. After your car.
So it's a Wednesday. I have just finished working. It's 20 to 8. I have ordered again from TTDEye. Oh my gosh, I feel like I need to reiterate, especially if you're someone who doesn't wear contact lenses a lot, it is your responsibility to make sure that you're doing everything right. So please change your eye contact solution every single day. If you don't know where to find eye contact solution, please do go to your nearest optometrist. You can just pop into the doctor's office, buy a bottle of solution, and then Bob's your uncle. Please change your cases regularly. Change your eye contact solution every day in your case. So when you buy solution is the eye contact water that your contacts need to stay in. You do get a case for your eye contact. So every time you buy solution, you will guaranteed have a case. But it is your responsibility to make sure that everything is clean and you are taking care of your eyes, guys. Because you may think that contact lenses are fun or whatnot, but they get in contact so much with your eyes that you need to be sure that they're extremely clean. You are doing what you are doing. You are giving your eyes a break from wearing them. So I usually wear because I wear my contact lens like 90% of the time. If I do go outside or if I work in the office, when I leave, I wear them. But as soon as I get home, I take them off. If I'm working from home, chances are I will wear my glasses. I just have my eye contacts on now because I needed to go out. So yeah, when I drive, I just prefer these because they're clearer. And yes, I have a discount code for you guys for Black Friday. I thought it would just be nice for me to come back here. I give you guys a review of what I actually think does it really work. I can guarantee that, okay, let me not say I can guarantee, but from my personal experience, I have not had any itchiness from wearing the lenses. There has been no problem with my vision. Most of the time when you're in contact lenses, when they get old, it will tend to like tear or become blurry, and yeah, I have not had that problem with TTDEye. When that package comes, I will be able to upload another video for you guys and do some new things. But yeah, I just wanted to share my discount code with you guys in case you guys are interested. If you didn't get my code in my first video, I'm just gonna put it on somewhere here. I don't know which side has more space, and down in the description box. If there is anything you guys would like me to touch on, or you want a more in-depth video about contact lenses, please let me know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I am trying to get into the routine of vlogging again, so yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna upload my next one, but hopefully it will be soon. And we have come to the end, but thank you guys so much. Anyways, I will see you in the next one. Bye.